for what's most likely our last rip of the day. Travis got not one, but is that upside down? No, okay. It was upside down. 2 boxes of high tech from Star Wars that just came out today. We did 2 group breaks of it earlier, and now we're doing a little personal. Because Travis wants more. Let me know if you want these like boxes or if you don't care about them. Just one inner box like this. Okay, will do. I will set this one aside. So I know some people collect the boxes, other people don't. Wedge Antilles. Ah, I see. Well, happy birthday. Bail Organa. Night Nubs. The Grand Inquisitor. Kit Fisto. Mon Mothma. Paige Tycho. The Client. Yoda. Finn. Daram. Miro. Snoodles. Zeb. Ezra. Darth Vader. Fuzzy. Admiral Akbar. Darth Vader. Darth Vader out of 50. I just noticed this was the numbered card. This is from Revenge of the Sith. Because some of the Vaders are from like A New Hope. And like this particular image is from... And you notice his lightsaber is... Wait, this is a black and white then. Look at the side. Yeah, black and white. Yeah, this is black and white. Nice. I thought Josh went to get a box and he just disappeared. We got Crumb to 25. And oh yeah, I'm going to sleeve them all. I was expecting Josh to come right back and he was going to sleeve, but then he didn't come back. So I'll sleeve them. Don't worry about it. It'll get sleeved. And we got Grand Admiral Thrawn 250. But they will be sleeved. I think we got something. I think it's a sketch. I'm not 100% sure. What I'm going to do... I'm going to put that here. We're going to go through these. We'll pull the cards from the back because I think the hit cards are behind it. I'm not 100% sure because there's a couple cards behind it. We'll get those cards out from the back and then we'll do the sketch because it's most likely a sketch. Mother of Space Dragons. Yeah. Luke Skywalker. Vice Admiral. Luthor Raul. Or, yeah, Raleigh. We got The Mandalorian. Jabba the Hutt. Grief Cargo. Or Karga. Sif Nest. We have Darth Maul. This is the first time I've seen Darth Maul in this. That's cool. Koba Vance. Oh, Josh had them all? Okay. You got Greedo. Urso. Max Rebo. That's cool.
I got dragged into a TikTok.
No, it's cool. I was just like, hey, he didn't come back.
Sorry, I got dragged into a TikTok. Does he want one of these boxes saved?
Yeah, he wanted that box saved. So.
You want the whole box or just the mini box?
You wanted just the mini box.
Okay.
I confirm, but he needs these sleeved if you get a chance.
Oh, nice. Vader
If
to
not,
50?
I'll do it. Yeah, you got a Vader to 50. It's black and white, too.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Look at
Oh,
his
yeah, it
lightsaber
is.
and everything.
Oh, those are nice. Numbered short print is always good.
So I've gotten a Padme and a Vader mini.
Plo Koon.
Plo Koon. Sabine.
This box one or
Tusken
box
Raider.
two?
This is box 2. We got
Okay.
a sketch.
We got a sketch.
Yep.
And did we already go through our numbered cards for
Nope.
box 2? Okay.
We're doing that now. We got Qui-Gon Jinn to 50.
There you go. My guy.
And we got... we got Snoodles to 5.
Size Snoodles to 5.
We have a red Snoodles to 5.
That is wild. It's no Droopy McCool, though.
I could make some jokes about this, but I don't know if they'd be appropriate, so I'm not gonna. Some dark, well,
Wow.
it's red, so deal with that however you will. And she's a singer, so yeah. But this is really cool. You got it a 5.
Wow.
Yeah, the
Okay.
color matches her lipstick. That is very, very true. That's pretty fun. That's cool. That was not expected at all.
Size Snoodles to 5 we take.
Nice Snoodles to 5. We'll take it.
Yeah, it looks like we got green.
And we got Kylo to 10.
Nice.
So we got a Kylo Ren to 10. That's kind of fun to say. On the green.
All right, when you show the sketch, show the back first so we can see. Because it'll let us know what color, like if it's a gold, a black, or anything like that, and it'll tell us the artist.
All right. Kylo. And all right.
Sketch a 5 and a 10 out of one box. Yeah, this has been a good
A
box.
5 and a 10 and a sketch in one box.
Medina. Okay, Eric Medina sketches always look nice. Yeah, he has a very distinctive art style that I love.
Nope, I got it upside down, it looks like. Oh, that's sweet.
Cool, Stormtrooper.
Stormtrooper helmet.
That's sick.
Probably the last thing he sees is probably a Wookiee. But it's really cool. It's a Stormtrooper. That's a lot of fun.
So that was a good
That
box.
was a
Out
good
of
box,
5 out of
Travis.
10, and a Medina sketch.
So, yeah,
He's one of the better artists for sure
definitely.
that you want to get.
That was a crazy box. Thanks, Travis.
That was a great box.
That was a great box. That was fun.